science enthusiasts! Today, we're exploring the incredible world of gene therapy, where science becomes a superhero adventure.
Imagine a DNA kitchen where we tinker with our genes like master chefs. It's not fiction, it's gene therapy.
Gene therapy, the medicine superhero, rescuing us from genetic mischief.
Fixing faulty genes, these tiny troublemakers, is no challenge for gene therapy.
In our gene therapy lab, scientists are genetic wizards, treating diseases that try to sneak past our defenses.
First of all, what is gene therapy? Gene therapy is an experimental technique for correcting defective genes that are responsible for disease treatment. To understand more of it, what is therapy? Treatment intended to relieve or heal a disorder. Therefore, gene therapy is a process by healing a gene to help the body and protect it from diseases.
Researchers found out that gene therapy can cure cancer, HIV, Parkinson's, blindness, and other deadly diseases.
Gene therapy has two types, the germline gene therapy and somatic gene therapy. First is germline gene therapy. The therapeutic cells are transferred into the germ cells. The first of gene therapy will be passed on to the patient's children and subsequent generations. On the other hand, somatic gene therapy transfers therapeutic genes in the somatic cells. Examples are introduction of genes into the bone marrow, blood cells, skin cells, etc.
There are two types of somatic gene therapy, the in vivo and ex vivo gene therapy. Ex vivo is the transfer of genes to cultured cells and reinsertion isolate cells with genetic defect from a patient. While in vivo pertains to direct administration of genetic material or therapeutic agent into the body, with the goal of targeting specific tissues or organs requiring treatment.
Just remember the difference between these two. In vivo means inside the body, and ex vivo means outside the body.
There are diseases that gene therapy can cure, and these two are the examples. First is blindness. It is the condition appears at birth or in the first few months of life and causes progressive worse and loss of vision. The gene therapy can cure blindness of inherited condition and can improve vision in a condition previously considered wholly untreatable.
To cure blindness, scientists use harmless viruses that enable access to the cells beneath the retinas of patients by using very fine needle.
Parkinson's disease is a neurodegenerative disorder characterized by the loss of dopamine-producing nerve cells in the brain, leading to motor symptoms such as tremors and rigidity. Gene therapy aims to cure Parkinson's by introducing therapeutic genes to restore dopamine production, addressing the root cause of disease.
The treatment involves the use of harmless viruses as vectors, allowing safe delivery of genes into specific brain cells, with the potential to improve motor symptoms and enhance existing treatments.
Advantage of gene therapy are the following. First, it can save a newborn with a genetic disease. Second, it can cure cancer, AIDS, and heart disease. Third, some diseases can only be cured using gene therapy. And lastly, it can eradicate diseases from future generations. On the other hand, these are the disadvantages. First, gene therapy can be extremely pricey, making it inaccessible for some people. Second, gene therapy is relatively new and there is still a lot about it that we don't know. Third, there is some concern that if gene therapy reaches other cells in the body besides the faulty cell, it could have harmful effects. Fourth, some gene therapies use inactivated viruses to carry healthy genetic material into a faulty cell in the body.
Oh no! Although I have an advantage, I also impose disadvantage. Grrr, nobody's perfect.
And lastly, these are some ethical issues about gene therapy. First, how can good or bad uses of gene therapy be distinguished? Because we will only see the good side of it, but of course, everything has a bad side. Second, who decides which traits are normal and which constitute a disability or disorder? Because you're not sure if the gene that will be given can benefit your health. Third, will the high cost of gene therapy make it available only to the wealthy? Because it's a therapy that can only cure special diseases that only gene therapy can cure. It is expected that it will be pricey. Fourth, could the widespread use of gene therapy make society less accepting of people who are different? Because of the gene therapy, each of us has the chance to fix our insecurities that not all people can afford. And lastly, should people be allowed to use gene therapy to enhance basic human traits such as height, intelligence, and athletic ability? This was an issue because if modified traits will be allowed, it can be an issue as some people might not use it.
Today, we delved into the superhero world of gene therapy, a journey from genetic dreams to cutting-edge cures.
Gene therapy's power to heal comes with challenges in ethical boundaries, raising questions about accessibility and societal impacts.
As we navigate this genetic adventure, let's seek balance, ensuring benefits reach all while respecting our diverse humanity.
Thanks for joining this exploration of gene therapy. Until next time, keep embracing the wonders of science.
Bye-bye!